Collections. So we have the 8 ounce, the 4 ounce, and the 2 ounces. And then we have this little bottle of turmeric and ginger power shot label. And then we have these, which are gonna be for a jar. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 printed on this page, and there will be a total of 40 of these. And then these are for the medium size, 4 ounces. Another product. These as well will be 40 of these. We have 8 ounces, and it's 4 per page. And then we have these over here, the essential oil beauty butter. And then we have the essential oil hair and body butter. And then we have the 2 ounces. Those were 8 ounces. 8 ounces. Sea moss hair and face mask. These are all like a lot of labels. So there we have it. They're just ready to go on the containers, and they're gonna look like this. And then you're gonna have your colored whatever contents in the jar. So come get your labels from Kenny's Collections.